In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Outlook from previewing PDF attachments. If you want Outlook to stop auto-opening PDFs in the reading pane and instead require a manual open in your PDF app, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use the Outlook desktop app on Windows, and I'll keep everything clear and simple. First, open the Outlook app on your computer. Make sure you're in the desktop version, not the web browser version. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the classic ribbon and the File tab in the top left corner. Next, click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can access global settings for your account and the application itself. Now click Options. You'll find it near the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This opens the Outlook Options window, which is where most of Outlook's customization lives. In the Outlook Options window, select Trust Center on the left. The Trust Center is where Microsoft groups security and privacy controls, including how attachments are handled. Then click the Trust Center Settings button. This opens a separate Trust Center window with more detailed controls. In the Trust Center, choose Attachment Handling from the list on the left. This section tells Outlook what to do with files you receive, including whether they can be previewed directly in the reading pane. Check the box labeled Turn Off Attachment Preview. With this option enabled, Outlook will stop previewing attachments inside the app. That includes PDFs, so you won't see them open automatically in the message pane. Instead, you'll open them manually in your default PDF viewer, which can be more secure and can also prevent Outlook from hanging when large files arrive. Finally, click OK to apply your change and close the Trust Center, and then OK again if prompted to close Outlook options. Your setting takes effect immediately. A quick note on what to expect. After this change, when you select an email with a PDF attachment, Outlook won't display the PDF preview in the reading pane. You'll need to double click the attachment to open it in your PDF application. This is a great way to reduce accidental previews and add a small but meaningful layer of control over incoming files. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same attachment handling area and uncheck Turn Off Attachment Preview to bring previews back. That's it, you've successfully disabled Outlook from previewing PDF attachments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your inbox both smoother and safer to use.